Hey everybody, I'm holding this chick here for a reason. Today is National Agriculture Day, and I wanted to do some math story problems with you today to get you thinking about what animals live on a farm, but also to help us out with our addition and subtraction skills. Now, all throughout the year, we've been working extremely hard with how we represent our story problems, not just using the numbers sometimes, but sometimes we like to draw pictures, sometimes we like to use words, trying to really show what we know. Okay, so it's not just about writing down the numbers, even though that is really great that we can do that. But if we can show what we know using pictures and words to help us represent what we're thinking, it's going to make it really great. Now, today, I'm going to first use some manipulatives. Now, it's great to use those around your house. Hopefully, you guys maybe have like a chicken stuffy or something, or like a toy, or like I have a pig right here. I'm going to use these two first to help me out. I don't have any cow things, which is amazing, but I'm going to use those as well in a little bit. But I can use a book, you can cut out pictures, anything that you can look at to help you with story problems is really a helpful idea. So here's my first problem today. Okay, so I went to a farm. When I went to the farm, I saw 6 pigs, okay, and then I saw 3 chicks. How many pig ears and chick beaks did I see all together? Okay, I just used the word all together. That means we're gonna add. We're gonna put it all together, okay? So how many did I see? How many did I see all together? So let me read that one more time. Okay, so when I hear that word first, okay, that makes me think I'm gonna add, okay, because that's gonna really help me out. Okay, so let me say that one more time. I went to a farm. On that farm, I saw 6 pigs and I saw 3 chicks. How many pig ears and chick beaks did I see? Okay, so now I know I'm gonna think about that. All right, so I heard in my brain 6 pig ears. Okay, so I'm gonna make little pig faces. Okay, with my snout. Okay, okay. So there's my little pig face. But how many did I see? I saw 6, right? So I'm going to draw 6 pig faces. Okay. Don't forget the snout. Okay. To really help me out. Okay. 6 pig faces. Because it's not 6 pigs that I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about the ears because that was my question. Okay. That's what I heard in my question. So I got to think about what the question is really asking me. Okay. So I know these are not the best pig faces or pig ears, but hopefully the snout kind of gives it away so we know that these are pigs, okay? Now, the tough question part is I got to think, okay, pig ears, right? Pig ears. So if I look at that, if I look in my drawing right here, 6 pig ears, I know that I have 6 pigs, but how many ears are there? Let me count them up. I'm going to count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Let me do that one more time so it's better on the camera. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. There's 12 ears there. So I'm going to write the number 12. Okay? 12. Nice and big. Okay? So I got that right there. 12 pig ears. But then I saw 3 chicks, and I want to know about their beaks because I heard about their beaks. So I drew that there. So I'm just going to draw a little triangle, okay, because it's kind of representing their beaks. So I'm putting a drawing right there. 3. Okay? So I have 12 pig ears and 3 chick beaks. That's going to really help me out as we go. But now, here's this. I'm going to read the problem one more time just so we have an idea. Because when we're doing story problems, to get it to, if you read it 3 times in your head, read it 3 times, it's really going to help you out. So let me say this one more time. I went to a farm. On that farm, I saw 6 pigs. I also saw 3 chicks. How many pig ears and chick beaks did I see that day? Okay, so I know I did my drawing. I have my numbers. Now I can say 12 plus 3 equals 15. because I heard the all together word right there. That is one way to do that. Okay, I also could say, let me just count them let me just count them. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. That'll give me my 15. So using a drawing to help you out too. So I saw 15 ears and beaks that day. Okay, that was a really good one. Okay, so that's a really good way to think about it. Okay, so addition. So use those farm animals. Now the next one I'm going to give you another one. Now this one's going to be a little bit more challenging. Okay, now this one I'm going to use my book here because I'm not going to draw where I don't have a cow and a horse to show you, but I like to look at pictures and that's going to help me out. So first I'm going to use a cow. Okay, cow, let me get the cow sound. Boom. Okay, so we like that. So, but then I'm also going to use a horse. Okay, let me get to the horse. Excellent. So those are the two things I see. So let me read this problem. Let me tell you this problem. Okay, so we can figure this out. Now, because it's going to be a little different. One day I went to the farm. On that farm, I saw 3 cows. I saw 4 cows that day. I saw 4 cows on the farm. I also saw 3 horses. I saw 3 horses. How many more horses' hooves did I see than cow tails? All right. So now I'm thinking in my brain. I got to think horses' hooves and cow tails. All right. So cows have 1 tail each. Okay. So cows have 1 tail each. A horse has 4 hooves because there are 4 feet, so 4 hooves. So let me read that problem one more time. I went to a farm. Okay. On that farm, I saw 4 cows. So I'm thinking to myself, 4 cows, 4 tails. Got it. Okay. But then when I went to the farm, when I went to see the horse, I also saw 3 horses on the farm. 3 horses on the farm. How many more horses' hooves did I see than cow tails? How many more? Okay, how many more? What operation is that telling me? Am I going to add or am I going to subtract? Well, if I want to know how many more, that means I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to draw that so I get that in my brain. Okay, so I'm going to make a subtraction sign right away so I know that's what the question's asking. Now, I have 4 cow tails right there. 4 cow tails. So I'm going to draw, I can draw 4 cow tails. Okay, just like little tails, I guess. Okay, 4 cow tails. Now, but I also need to know that I have 3 horses and I want to think about their hooves. So I kind of drew like a little, what might look like a hoof to me. Okay, so I'm going to straighten it out for you. 3 horses, how many hooves? And now 1 horse has 4 hooves. 3 horses. Let me draw that. Okay, so I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I didn't really make hooves that time. I made circles to represent it because I know for every 1 horse, there's 4 hooves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second horse, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third horse, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so how many more horses' hooves did I see than cow tails? So let me think about that question one more time. I went to the farm one day. I saw 4 cows and I saw 3 horses. How many more horses' hooves did I see than cow tails? Well, here's one thing that we can do. Whoops, hit that button. So what can I do? Well, I know when I'm doing subtraction, I always start with a greater number. So I could do 12 minus 4. And I could use a number line to give me 8. Or I could think, all right, I have my horse's hooves, but I'm going to cross out the 4 tails that are kind of equal. So what I could do is just kind of cross them out. Let me do that right here. I'll cross those out. 2, 3, 4. How many am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 more horses' hooves. So those are two kind of good story problems that you could use at home. You can use different manipulatives, any pictures of farm animals, or any um, any like maybe toys that you have to help you out to do that. But think about the body parts. Don't just say horses and cows. Think horses' hooves, cow tails. Say like pig snouts, or lamb's feet, or goat's ears, or chick's toes, or something. Like, think about the body parts that help you out when you do these problems. So really good job on that. Don't forget to represent your problems. Use a drawing. But anything that you could do with adding and subtracting of farm animals today, story problems, would be great. Okay, everybody have a great day. Thanks for practicing along with me. I hope everybody's doing well.